Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we'll learn how to make a castle. Okay, to start with it, what we'll do is first we'll make a baseline. Okay, so what I'm doing is I will create a simple curvy line for the base, and then I will create two poles on both the sides. We have to make little slanting line. We will not make a straight line for the pole, right? I will make a similar kind of a line on the other side. We'll join them. I will make it a proper pole. Now this was a video which was demanded by Anya. So Anya, this is a video for you. I have got a lot many requests, so don't worry. I will make the videos for all of you one by one. Okay. Now see, we always see these kind of things on the castles, so we'll make that. Then again I'm making these two lines, and I'll make a flag. Okay, now what we'll do is I'll make a straight line. Okay, and I will again give this castle the wall of the castle. So I'm making that. Okay, I'll make a door for the castle. Now you can make any shape, you can take any shape for that, for this door. It's not necessary that the shape I have given, we have to do that. And now there are bricks. So these castles are made up of bricks. You have seen so many different castles in your fairy tales and otherwise also. So we have made that. Now what I'll do is I will make, again what I'm doing is I'm making two slanting lines, right? I'll make a flag on top. Okay, so these are the windows in the castle. I'm giving some brick effect also, so for that I'll make three lines, and I'll just give these lines like this. So this will create and give a brick effect. I'm not making it all over, I'm just making it at few places. Okay, what I'll do is I will make some more windows, and here I'll give a little brick effect. Similar way I'll make okay, and now I'm giving this, by mistake I have, okay, now I'll make a path around. So we'll start from this corner, and this area I'll show some greenery around, and my drawing is complete. Now what we will do is we'll start the coloring. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, we have done the coloring. Now you all can understand that this time, instead of taking the blue color, I have made this evening sky with orange and yellow shades. So we can always do that. Hope you have enjoyed watching it. Do make it and share it on my Insta or Facebook page. Do subscribe and share it with your family and friends. Bye everyone. Take care. Stay happy and stay safe.